Light bar, check.
Fog light, check. Reverse light, check. Hitch light, check. Ditch light, check.
Well, I guess that's everything.
Oh, I forgot to close the tailgate.
That's not a bad idea.
So yeah, that's right, we're adding more lights to the Tacoma. So as the intro suggests, we have all the lights that we need. Not all the lights that we want though. So a while back, I installed some reverse lights on the Toyota Tacoma and I had this brilliant idea. It would be so cool if I could put these on a bed rack. And I recently went out to Missouri for a beautiful car show and well, I saw a truck that had the lights on the bed rack and it turned my "that would be cool on my truck" to "I need that on my truck." Alrighty, so to do this project, we're gonna need a bed rack. We're gonna need 4 Stage Series C1 pods. Next, we need wiring. Wiring that can go from the front of the truck all the way to the bed and a little bit extra. Next, we need an adapter that can connect this wire to this pod. Now that we got the pods, we got enough wire to go around the earth 2 times. Now it's time to plan this bad boy out. Now I know what you're saying. Why are you planning out an installation? Look, I found myself 4 hours into a 10-minute install the other day. I don't want to do that again. So me and Sandy are outside looking at this wire that I thought was super long. It's not long enough, but no worries, okay? I have this bucket that I store of all my old Diode Dynamics projects. Sandy calls it trash, junk. When am I gonna get rid of it? But I call it a lifesaver. So I go into this bucket and I find these 2 wires that hopefully, maybe, just maybe, will make this possible.
I don't know if I should be doing this, but I'm gonna try to do it. We're gonna run this cable to my aux beam. Then we're gonna run it as far as it possibly can. Then we're gonna connect this cable to that cable, heat shrink it, get it all taken care of. Then we're gonna run this cable up to here, and then.
So we're gonna connect these cables and then it's time to run the cables. Thankfully, I've ran other cables all the way to the bed of the truck, so this is gonna be no problem. Just follow the old wiring harness and we should be a-okay. Now, we did run into a little bit of an issue, not a bad problem. We have too much wire, so instead of letting it dangle under the truck or outside the truck, I'm just gonna bundle it up and stick it inside the bed. Now we have to decide where we want the pods. I can't decide. I don't know if I want them pointing to the outside of the truck or pointing to the back of the truck. I really like having them as additional reverse lights, but being able to see all the way around the truck is just that much cooler. With all that being said, now let's see these bad boys perform. Let's go have some fun. Diode Dynamics has done it again, exceeding any possible idea that I had. I didn't think it was gonna be this bright. I didn't think it was gonna be this easy to wire up. I didn't think it was gonna be this cool once I had them on the truck. Thank you, Diode Dynamics. Everything will be linked down below. See you next time.